So hello and welcome to the introduction to ComfyUI course. Basically, this lectures outline what you can accept to learn throughout this journey. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to confidently navigate, configure, and use ComfyUI for various creative and technical purposes. Okay, so basically, this lecture is an overview and objective, like what we cover and what you accept and what we accept from you as an student or as an as an student from this course. Okay, so basically in this course we talking about comprehensive understanding of ComfyUI, like learn what ComfyUI is and how it leverages the power of stable diffusion. Then for AI generated visuals, understand the fundamental components and workflow structure of the ComfyUI platform. Then hands-on installation of ComfyUI on like AWS, GCP, and Azure. Then apart from this, explore recommendation for hardware and configuration for optimal performance, setup and use pre-trained model effectively. Then mastery of the user interface, basically user interface and workflow basics. Like we'll cover node systems, workflow creation, and model management. Then setup and ease use pre-trained models effectively. Then mastery of the user interface. Then apart from this, like navigate the ComfyUI interface we will cover in this course. Then learn both basic and advanced techniques for generating images, explore text to image, then image to image workflows, and then advanced features like in painting, out painting, and control net integration. Then workflow optimization, understanding best practices of enhancing performance, troubleshoot, and other things. Apart from this, uh, learn how to connect and collaborate with the vibrant community, ComfyUI community, and like if I am talking about the lectures and sections, so we will cover introduction to ComfyUI, is its purpose and how it fits into the AI image generation landscape. Then step-by-step guidance on installation and setup process, multiple platforms, navigation of the understand its workflows. Then basic techniques for generating high quality image AI images, advanced methods including custom node uses and creative enhancements. Then tips for optimizing performance and troubleshooting issues, real world application and project use cases, insights into the future of ComfyUI and community. Then engage with the and like expectation for participations, like active participations, engage with the lectures, practice the examples, and complete the hands-on exercise. Basically this will not give any exercise, but you will do exercise from your side, like you will make some projects and like you will generate some images, give prompts, like you learn a lot of things like prompt engineering, LLM engineering in this course. Basically then basic understanding of and like what are the prerequisite knowledge for this course. Basic understanding of AI concepts and image generation is helpful but not mandatory. Familiarity with using cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, and Azure is beneficial for installation section. Okay, this is the page of basically ComfyUI uh, product. Here you can see the ComfyUI stable diffusion AI image generation made simple. And my ComfyUI is also running. My VM is also running. Here you can see the user interface of ComfyUI. We will explain this in detail in another lecture. We have a separate section for the ComfyUI user interface. Okay, then apart from this, I think I will cover all the things in this lecture about the objectives and outcomes, then the prerequisites. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture about the objectives and outcomes, prerequisites of the course. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.